In Unit 1 of High Voltage Engineering, we are going to discuss about over voltages in electrical power systems. The various topics that we are going to discuss in Unit 1 are causes of over voltages and its effects on power system, lightning, switching surges and temporary over voltages, corona and its effects, reflection and refraction of traveling waves, protection against over voltages. Why do we use high voltage to transmit electrical power? There are many advantages of using high voltage to transmit power. The first one is when the voltage is higher, current becomes lower. Thus, the line current is reduced for a given amount of power. When the current is reduced, I square or loss is also reduced. Thus, the voltage regulation is improved, which could result in better efficiency. The power transfer will increase. The equation for the power transfer is given by P is equal to sending end voltage multiplied by receiving end voltage into sine del. Del is the difference in voltage between sending end and receiving end voltages divided by reactance of the transmission line. Thus, the power transfer will increase either by decreasing the reactance or by increasing the voltage. Let's see few applications of high voltages. High voltage technology is used in electron microscope and X-ray units. It's also used in electrostatic precipitator, particle accelerators in nuclear physics. High voltage is used for testing electrical power apparatus. High impulse voltages are used to simulate the over voltage that occur in power system due to lightning or switching action. In the field of electrical engineering, the main requirement of high voltage is for insulation testing of various components in power system. How to classify voltage levels? Voltage up to 1000 volt is classified as low voltage. From 1000 volt to 35 kV, voltage is classified as medium voltage. 35 kV to 235 kV is classified under high voltage. What's the meaning of extra high voltage? Voltage above 230 kV is classified as extra high voltages. The term ultra high voltage is used to denote voltages above 800 kV. What's the meaning of over voltage? Over voltage is a voltage, pulse or wave which is superimposed on the rated voltage of the network, or when the voltage in a circuit or part of it is raised above its upper design limit. This is known as over voltage. The standard voltage, which is the sine wave. Here in this picture, the voltage magnitude is raised to higher level for a shorter duration. This is called the lightning type impulse. What are the causes of over voltages? The causes can be classified into internal causes and external causes. What are the internal causes? Switching surges, insulation failure, arcing ground and resonance are the internal causes of over voltages. The external causes are mainly due to lightning. This is the picture of lightning. What's the lightning phenomena? Lightning is the peak discharge in which the charge accumulated in the cloud discharge into neighboring cloud or to the ground. Here the electrode separation is the separation of cloud to cloud or cloud to ground, which is about 10 km or more. What's the level of charge inside the cloud? The charge inside the cloud is approximately from 1 to 100 coulomb. The cloud potential is 10 power 7 to 10 power 8 volt, whereas the gradient in a cloud is 100 volt per centimeter. the gradient at the discharge point is 10 kV per centimeter, whereas the energy at discharge point is 250 kilowatt hour.